So well done Year 1. I know you were practicing your speed sounds last week, so well done for that. These are our speed sounds set 2 and 3. These are those special friends that we need to spot when we're reading those words. So they're in a different order this week, so I'm going to check you really know them really well. So wherever you are, make sure you're sitting up nice and tall. Remember, I'll say the sounds the first time and then you'll see the video again without the sound so that you have to say the sounds yourself. Are you ready? R, O, or, I, oi, oo, air, e, a, ow, a, I, ear, o, oo, a, ow, air, e, ire, o, oo, or, oi, your, shun, shus. Now in your home learning pack, you have those sounds, those set 2 and 3 sounds. Remember, there are some real words to read with that sound and some nonsense words as well. So keep practicing those set 2 and 3 sounds. So you're going to see the sounds again without the sound, so it's your turn to say the sounds.